Hi developers, today I'm gonna tell you how to install MySQL Server. First of all, you should open your browser and type mysql.com and then click downloads here and let's see Community Edition, which will be free. That's what I'm choosing. Okay, and then Windows. You should choose your operating system. And then installer. If you use another operating system, then you can choose another one. Alright, mine is here. I already click and download. Let's see. Accept. Next. I'm gonna choose it server only as a server only because I use it as a server. But if you wanna use it like with PHP or another languages, so you wanna do something else for later, then better to choose developer default. But I use server on the server. Next. Oh, this is I think the last version of it, 8.0 executes. Let's see. It takes time. Let it give a little bit pause till it finish. It took some time to finish, but finally, okay, it's completed. Click next. Okay. Let's see. Okay, next. Alright, my port will be 33 and 0. You need to type somewhere for later. Development computer, server computer, dedicated computer. It will be let it be development computer. Okay, the next one. Okay, so alright, let's keep clicking next. So you need to type a password. Mine will be, of course I'm not gonna say. Alright, type one more time. Okay, it can be weak, doesn't matter for me, it doesn't make sense. If you want to use just as a local host, it's okay. The next, okay, source name, standard, alright, for most, okay, so next one, execute. So it will take time again. We're gonna wait a little bit, let it be finished as it's written. Okay, configuration complete. Alright, here we go. Let's check if it started correctly. What we do is, let's type here cmd. Alright, let's see, will it work? Okay, program files here. Let's see. Okay, it was 8.0. Yes, we're in it now. Bin. Okay, did I write correct MySQL? Right. Root, and that's P. We did something wrong. Okay, I took the last command line. Okay. Right here. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's type one more time. Let it be here. MySQL U, okay, root, okay, and P. Okay, now it's done. So our password, let me write. Alright, so here we go. Hope it's useful and enjoy it.